Hi there, Pip with Team Veraco. We're at the BDIA conference and we're trying to make a difference in the dental world with regards to exchanging plastic wipes for a more ecological solution. Come in and I'll show you. Welcome to the Veraco stand. Here we have our HyGe Eco Smart Dispenser. Let me show it to you. We call it an Eco Smart Dispenser because of the paper that it's using, which is fully plant-based, which means it's much better for the environment. Come over here and I'll show you why we call it a smart dispenser when George is finished. So here's the unit. It looks quite smart. We call it a smart dispenser because hands-free, it will do a wet and a dry wipe. One dry wipe and one wet wipe. Perfectly saturated every time with 4 milliliters of water on each wipe, and they're all exactly the same length. And what you don't want is for an ecological paper to just fall apart when you're using it. So I'm going to give this a very good scrub, and you'll see it doesn't fall apart and lint hasn't gone everywhere. It's been purpose built just for that reason. It's greener, cheaper, and better.